Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today, the historic tomato experiments using synthetic pesticides to modify plant growth started with an experiment with a chemical known by the trade name bonsai. Tomato transplants were drenched in a water solution containing 5 ppm of bonsai at the second leaf stage. This resulted in an increase in field vigor, earlier blooming, fruit maturity, and yield. This would result in growth regulators being used in commercial plug plants within Canadian commercial plug nurseries. John Zandstra will expand on this experiment by testing other chemical growth regulators. These can be seen on screen right now. He tested these treatments on 2 tomato lines, an early commercial hybrid called TSH4, and an experimental breeding line called CC337. The plugs had these treatments applied in the form of a 100 milliliter soak at the 2-leaf stage. John Zandstra would study how these treatments would affect how much fertilizer they require and the alterations to the tomato physiology, and here are the results. The addition of these growth regulators increased the requirement for fertilizer, with the biggest increase being the 10 ppm Sun Magic treatment, which required up to 8 times more phosphorus and 2 times more nitrogen and potash in order to produce transplants of marketable size under the 10 ppm Sun Magic treatment. The increase in plant weight and stem diameter was the greatest under the 2.5 ppm Sun Magic X-Free treatment. 2 other chemicals often used were Apogee and Nova, and they showed inferior improvements in these features, and as a consequence were said to be discontinued as a result of this experiment. Both Sun Magic and Bonsai were found to increase the plant weight and stem diameter by a considerable margin. There was, however, no statistically significant improvements found in fruit yield in this experiment. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.